All right, guys, what's going on? This is me, Frugal Freddy here, and I got a little bit too much time on my hands, so I just wanted to talk about a couple of things that I've learned in the past year. I see a lot of people that want to get into making money online, selling things online, and they have no guidance, nowhere to start, don't know really what to do. Another thing that I see people do is some of the first things that people find out about is drop shipping. Now, if you don't know what drop shipping is, it's essentially it's just taking one product and then outsourcing it, and you're promoting it, and then saying, "Well, I'll have it shipped to you." So you're pretty much being your own kind of influencer slash affiliate. That's the gist of it. I mean, I could go and look up some definitions, and we could do a whole bunch of stuff like that, but that's not what I do. If you're gonna keep watching this video, just know that's not what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna keep it go down to the nitty gritty. So if you saw the title of this video, maybe the thumbnail or whatever got you to this video, then you know what I'm about to talk about. How to make money online under $20. Under $20. I'm not joking. I'm not playing around. And I'm gonna show you pretty much step by step how to do it. It's gonna be pretty quick. I don't expect this to take too long, but it's just to give you an idea of how you can start drop shipping right now for under $20. A lot of people usually start off on Shopify when they first jump into the whole e-commerce, drop shipping kind of thing. And the reason I'm here, I'm on the Shopify page first, is because I wanted to break down to you why I personally feel like it's not a good idea. It's a waste of money, and it won't help your business as much as you think it may. It is a good service. What Shopify is it allows you to make websites for your businesses. They have this nice e-commerce platform going on here. You know, they have good things for sellers to get involved with. Good support system, 24/7 support. So if you ever have any problems, oh man, this is not working, that's not working, I couldn't get this up. Well, you're always gonna have a great amount of support. But here's the problem. The problem is when you get here. So we're gonna go here to where it goes to pricing. Now, as you can see, it's not cheap. The basic alone, everybody says, oh, you know, you can start now. This is the trick that everybody does. They'll say, hey, you know what? You can go ahead and start Shopify for free, man. Just sign up for free. You sign up for free, man. You're gonna start making money in a couple of days, and it ain't gonna be no thing. But no, there's truth, and then there's, you know, the whole truth. And the truth of the matter is, it doesn't stay free. What everybody wants you to do is they want you to click their affiliate links for their Shopify. You click on there, you sign up, you get a free trial, they get a commission, or I don't know how it works, I don't know what they get. And then after the 14 days, nobody goes into a business and says, oh man, I'm gonna stop after 14 days. Oh, that was it. I'm gonna not worry about it anymore. Most people that would try to jump into this kind of thing, they would say, oh man, I already did 14 days. I'm already in, I'm already invested. I finally got my website up. So I'm just gonna go ahead and just start paying the monthly price. So what is the monthly price? The monthly price for Shopify is $29 a month. 29 US dollars a month. And you get a couple of features, you know, 24/7 support. What do you get? Free SSL certificate, and you get an online store. Now, here's what you don't get. You don't get a domain name. That's number one. And that is probably the thing that you were gonna want next. So you're not just sticking with something that's just $29 a month, because here's the thing, nobody wants to go buy from your Shopify store because too many people know what Shopify is. They want your store to be masked. The point of people getting on Shopify is because it allows you to mask your site. But a lot of people aren't just going and buying straight from Shopify unless they just really don't know. But I find that hard to believe, because once you type in what Shopify is, then it's the cat's out of the bag. So 9 times out of 10, what people do is they get a Shopify site, then they place their Shopify site onto another domain name. They buy a domain name, and then they pay for that. So you're looking at about $30 a month. I mean, what is that? $360. Anyways, but they don't tell you. They don't just say like that. They say, oh, you know, and this is just a basic. You're paying $360 a year. On top of the domain, where you can get domains for relatively inexpensive. For instance, okay, nice. So they got good prices, $3 a year, $3 for the first year, and it is $17.99 after that. All right, that's I guess something. That's cool, I guess. But let me show you guys something. Let me go show you how easy it is to make your own website for under $20 for the entire year. I'm not joking. It's a little bit different than Shopify. What we're gonna be doing instead, we're gonna skip up all of this Shopify stuff. We're not gonna be playing around with this money over here, because you know what? It's a trick. Here's the thing. Even if you get a Shopify, it's still gonna take you at least 7 days to just get your site running. That, never mind having a niche and marketing and doing the things that you have to do in order to really make your dropshipping service work. What you really want is something that you can work on, take your time, work on, be flexible with, and not have to be burning money at the same time while you're working on these kinks and problems that you may run into in business. And I'm saying may because, I mean, really the reality of it is 9 times out of 10 that is going to happen. But let's just say, for the sake of argument, these are the things that may happen. So let's just jump into it right now. This is Ionos, or 1-in-1, Europe's largest web host. Formerly 1-in-1. So, all right, I guess it resides in Europe. I found out about this years ago, helping somebody else do something for them. And ever since I found out about it, I've been using them ever since. Now, let me show you what you freaking get. Now, they have an offer here that allows you this. 12 months for $1 a month, you get your WordPress hosting. 2 websites, free domain, and 100 gigabytes of storage. Now, I'm gonna tell you right now, you're not gonna need that 100 gigabytes of storage ever. And you'll know why in just a moment. Unless you're running a huge general store, and even then, no, it's impossible. Because all we're gonna be doing is taking things from one source and putting it into another. And if you want to know what that source is, it's AliExpress, but we'll get into that later. I think if you've gotten this far, I think you know a little bit about what's about to happen, but I just want to go through the process and show you why the price is what it is. You might be saying to yourself, man, I know nothing about WordPress. I don't know how to make web pages and all that kind of stuff. So I think this would be a big learning curve. I promise you it won't be, and that by the end of the video, you'll have a big understanding of why it's so much easier, so much more flexible, and you can do so many more things with it. Okay, so let's get started on showing you guys how to use 1-in-1 or Ionos. Let's go ahead and let's show you guys how to get started with this. So remember that we said it has the WordPress hosted with 2 managed WordPress sites. You get a 1 domain, and so I guess you could have 2 different WordPress. So I guess you can split one off in order to make a whole nother website, maybe for testing and things like that. Which is actually not a bad idea. It's something that I don't see Shopify doing right off the bat. But you got to look at what we're looking at here. We're looking at where it says 12 months from $1 a month, and then $11 a month after this. Let's look at this offer. Let's look at the offer, see what they're talking about. So you see where it could say view packages right here. The packages that we have provided, we could get the essential package. You get 1 managed WordPress, 25 gigs, yada yada, whoop de whoop. But then they have the business one for for people who have businesses like you, like the businesses that you're going to be running right now. So, oh wow, it includes 2 domains. Interesting. This is new. I'm glad we're making this video. Hey, look, these guys ain't paying me. I'm just trying to spread the word. But look, let's go ahead and click the business right here for 12 months, $1 a month, and $11 after that. I'm gonna get domains included with that. Let's see how it goes. So I already have something in mind, and let's see if it's available. Oh, it is. I have a domain available, so I added it to my cart. Choose a perfect solution to complete your managed platform. Now, let me tell you something. Never did this. Add to cart, absolutely. Proceed without offer. We're gonna skip all of that. I see I have my contract. I have my free domain. I don't need anything other offer. So what do? But I've always paid $12. The only reason I said under $20 is it sounds catchy for the video. I could say under $15, but I think I'll just say under 20 just so it sounds a little bit more catchy. Here we go, bro. Under $20, I'm gonna get this website. So yeah, let's go ahead and check out and handle all of that, and that's it. When I tell you that's it, that's it. What happens after you already have your website? Once I'm in there, you can see I'll have my website here. It does include the SSL certificate with the domain, and it's hooked up to a WordPress. Now, what comes after that? Once you have the whole WordPress in there, start off with a username and a password. You get into your WordPress, and here you go. Now, the way that this originally comes is not like this. So let me go ahead and change a couple of things here. Just bring it back to the original way that it is. Let's see. Your main dashboard, you start like this, and this may look a little confusing, but we're gonna go through the steps of what you would need to do to pretty much essentially just start your own WordPress. I'm gonna come back to you guys in the next video. If y'all like exactly where we at so far, I could show you everything else. All right, so this is what I'm gonna do, guys. I'm gonna continue to make the video from here on out. But what I will do is I'm gonna split into another part. So I will have the making of the WordPress site in the next video, and just to show you how easy it is to get going from A to B for under $20, maximum $100. If you really want to pay a lot of money, you pay a maximum $100. So, you know, I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a comment, actually. You know, I know everybody wants to, you know, I'm not really caring about all those thumbs up and likes, but leave a comment because I do want to know if this is helpful for you, or if you have other questions, or if there's something that I'm doing that is going maybe too fast, or I'm not talking in a way you like. Doesn't mean I'm gonna change it. It just means I just want to know. Let me know what you think, and I'll be back with another video soon. All right, guys.